Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Di2 to Garmin Edge 1030. First, ensure your Shimano Di2 system has the D-Fly wireless unit, either the SMEWW111 or EWEN100, properly installed. Next, power on your Garmin Edge 1030 device. It's also a good practice to make sure both your Di2 system and Garmin device are fully charged before you begin the pairing process to avoid any interruptions. Now, let's move to your Garmin Edge 1030. Navigate to the main menu and select the Sensors option. From there, choose Add Sensor and then look for Di2 or gear shifting in the list. To initiate the pairing, press and hold the small button on your Di2 D-Fly wireless unit until its LED starts blinking, indicating it's in pairing mode. Your Garmin will then begin searching for the signal. Once your Garmin Edge 1030 successfully detects and pairs with your Di2 system, you'll see a confirmation message appear on the screen. After pairing, you can customize your data screens to display valuable Di2 information. This includes your current front and rear gear, the gear ratio, and the Di2 battery level. You can typically add up to 3 distinct Di2 data fields to your display for quick reference during your ride. Beyond just displaying data, your Di2 system can also offer advanced control over your Garmin Edge. You can configure the Di2 shifter buttons to perform actions like changing data screens or marking laps. Remember to regularly check for firmware updates for both your Di2 components and your Garmin Edge device to ensure optimal performance. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both devices often resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.